Kalgoorlie Consolidated Gold Mines is located in the richest mile of the planet. We've been mining gold since it was discovered in 1893. Super Pit is located on the edges of Kalgoorlie Boulder, around 600 kilometers east from Perth, and you will find Kalgoorlie. So the main objective for us with this drone surveying project is to get a scan of this whole pit in a shorter span of time and use that data in understanding of where our ore has moved and what areas we mined in the last 24 hours. This pit stretches around 3.5 kilometer long to 2.5 kilometer wide. Main challenges that we face when we use our existing drone technology is that due to the depth of the pit, which extends up to 650 meter deep, we cannot do our scan from the top of the pit. So our surveyor has to go for a 1-hour drive down to the pit and do a flight from there. Whereas this new technology, we can allow us to do the drone flight from the top of our pit. If I use our normal conventional surveying method, it takes around 5 hours to do the scanning of the pit. With this new technology, we can do the scanning in 15 minutes.
So the workflow is we set up the L3 LiDAR scanner to the M400 drone, scan the whole pit, upload that to DJI Terra. After that, we have a point cloud geotiff and a bunch of other deliverables that we need. Normally, it'd take 2 surveyors several hours to drive around to every area in the pit to scan it, and several more hours to create the deliverables. With the M400 and L3, we're able to fly for a much higher vantage point, capture data all the way down to the bottom of the pit, and have the deliverables out in a significantly shorter amount of time. Our pit being 3.5 kilometers long by 2.5 kilometers wide. The long-range system and being able to fly from one singular spot in one flight saves hours of time. The real-time point cloud is extremely convenient. While we're flying, we're able to see the points being mapped in real time, so we can see if there's any areas that need to be flown over again, so we can ensure that our deliverables are accurate. The accuracy is much better than photogrammetry. It has about 3 centimeters vertical accuracy and 4 centimeters horizontal accuracy at a height of 120 meters. Using multi-temporal data, for instance, having scans from one week to another, we're able to very accurately estimate the total material moved and the ore mined.
The different stakeholders, the mine planning engineers and the geology team all use the survey outputs in their day-to-day tasks and optimize the workflow. The L3 has enabled us to make quick real-time decisions as we are able to now take more scans, and this has enabled the geology team to make better assessments of where the ore is sitting and where the excavators need to be digging. I would say it's been a real game changer because we've now been able to do things we haven't been able to do before.